Hello, Xcellence family. Today is Mortgage Monday. I am Kristina Suengas, agent concierge for both Xcellence Mortgage and Xcellence Title, and I have the pleasure of catching up with our loan officer, Madeleine King. Good morning, Madeline. How are you?
I'm doing well, Kristina. Good morning to you.
Well, we are excited to hear about a new program that has come about called the Special Purpose Credit Program, which I think is fabulous. And I want our agents to learn more about it and find out, what are the parameters of the program? How does it work? The dollar amount has gone up, which is always a huge help when you have a new client or a new home buyer. Tell us more.
Absolutely. Yes. So this is the Home Ready product that allows for a down payment assistance of $10,000. So while this program, we did have it before with 5,000, it is now available for 10,000. That's great. That helps a lot of people get into their home sooner because, they may not have to save as much. They can use the extra 10,000 to pay down the interest rate or the down payment, obviously, or even to help with closing costs. So really, it's a really good product. The parameters aren't much. It is actually, you do have to be a first-time home buyer.
Okay.
The good thing is it doesn't have income limits, which is usually an issue with down payment assistance programs. So there's no income limits on this. It's really a seamless program because we take care of it right along with the regular loan process.
So there's nothing that the buyer has to do outside of the mortgage application process to
That's correct.
qualify or to do anything else to be able to obtain the $10,000.
Exactly. That is correct. Now, there are areas that the beauty of this is it doesn't really matter where you're purchasing. It only takes into account where you actually currently living. So as long as you're living in one of the designated areas that the program was set up to help those in underserved communities, you can purchase anywhere you want, and the program will still apply. What they look at is where you're currently living, and there are some areas throughout the state of Florida. So I encourage our agents to reach out so that we can look where their buyers are currently living, so that we can see if we can apply this down payment assistance program to them.
Absolutely. And I always encourage a good conversation around what your buyer's plan is. Talk to us, run it by Madeline, run the scenario by us to see what programs are out there. They're changing constantly. It's good to know what your buyer can benefit from. They don't even have to be in the area where they're going to be buying. It's where they're currently living that qualifies them on this one. And $10,000 goes a long way, especially in the higher rate market that we're in. So we always encourage a good conversation. Madeline is very knowledgeable. She can share with us some ideas. Sometimes the client has a plan and we talk through that plan, and whether it's an immediate thing that's going to happen in the next 30 days or perhaps a plan we put together over a 6-month or 1-year process, we help your client get into the home that they're looking for. We can't beat that. Is there any prepayment penalty? Do they have to pay it off later? How does that work?
A good question, Kristina. You always have great questions. Yes, so this is a grant, so it is not repayable until the time where the property is sold or refinanced, okay? Or if you no longer live in the property as a primary residence.
Okay.
But other than that, it's considered a grant. It doesn't earn any interest that has to be paid back. So it's just a way to get into your property so that you don't have to, you can get in sooner, and it helps you with a $10,000 that you may be having to save otherwise. And this gets you in right away.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Well, we appreciate the update on that. The Special Purpose Credit Program. Give us a call. Let's talk about it. Let's help your client out. $10,000 is a lot of money. There are so many other programs too that are evolving. We encourage you to reach out to us. You can call us directly at 305-595-7355, the option for mortgage. You can visit us at xcellence.com. And we look forward to talking with you. Let's talk about some scenarios and let's help your client out. Madeline, thank you so much for taking the time with us this morning. We appreciate it.
My pleasure. I'm always here.
Well, we appreciate that. And we encourage you to reach out. Look forward to hearing from everyone soon and wish you a fabulous rest of your week. Thank you.
Thanks, Christina. Bye.
Hi, Madeline. Thank you.
Bye.